Four. Here we turn. 1, 2, 4. Rock step. You do a rock step again. 1, 2. 2 rock steps. 2 rock steps. Yeah. 2 rock steps. That's 2 points. Okay. 2 rock steps. Then what? And now we have to turn to the next. We're going to turn all to the left. Yeah, all to the left. So you can give up. 1. So that's your first step. And now you have to start with the great one. 2. 3. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now back. 2, 3, 4. Now we do our rock step. Again. Now another rock step. Remember, every rock step has 4 steps. Now we're going to turn. So this is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3. Oh, back. And then the rock step. To the right, 4. To the left, 4. And then the back 4. Back 4. To the right, to the right, 4. To the left 4. And then back 4. And then the rock step. Now that makes sense. That's the rock step. I think it's the rock step. Do the rock step. Rock step is, rock step is 1. And then instead of, this coming forward, you sort of like, you're rocking on it. Like you do a little tap. Yeah. So that's, let's do it again. 1, tap with that one. Roll back on it. 3 and 4. Okay, good. 1.
I wouldn't know, Gabe.
3.
You want to join in the electric slide?
1, 2, roll back, 4. See how that was 4. There's 4 beats. 1, 2, roll back on it, 4. Okay, we did it.
Good job, Mom. Roll back. Roll back on the...
And
There
then
you go.
turn. Then she did the turn. And then this one comes back to your grapevine. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 2, 3, 4. Now rock step. Go up. 2. Yes, you can.
No, I
Yes, of course you can.